Hello viewers, this is my first video on this channel. In this channel I will explain on various computer topics from basic to advanced. Today I am going to explain on a very basic topic, and that is desktop and its various elements. So let's start the video. Desktop is the first computer screen which is displayed after the operating system is loaded. So here you can see the entire screen is called desktop, where some pictures are visible, and at the back of the pictures one image is there of the screen, one bar, horizontal bar is there. So this is the entire screen is called desktop. So next, what are the various elements of a desktop? So one of the elements of a desktop is icon. So here the small pictures which are displayed, these are called icons. So icons are the pictorial representation of a particular program, a file or a folder. So it represents a particular program. That means when you click on a particular icon, we can open that program or a file or a folder. So there are mainly three types of icons. One is system icon. System icons are those icons which come with the operating system. Here on my desktop, this is a system icon. So this is system icon. This icon is called system icon. It has come with the operating system, and this system icon cannot be deleted. Here I will show you some more system icons. Let's go to the program menu. Here you can see some more examples of system icons like command prompt, control panel. These are some icons, system icons, which has come with the Windows operating system. Then run, this PC, task manager, and these icons cannot be deleted. So come to the second type of the icon, and that is program icon. Program icons are those icons which installed by the user after the installation of operating system according to their requirement. So here you can see various program icons are there, like here Microsoft Office Excel 2007. This is a name of the program, and beside the name of the, to the left side of the name of the program, one small picture is there. This is called program icon. So this program icon, we can delete the program icon whenever we need. Another example of program icon is Camtasia 2009. So this icon, this small picture is called a program icon of the program called Camtasia 2019, which can also be deleted. So program icon can be deleted, but a system icon cannot be deleted. Next, come to the third type of icon, that is shortcut icon. Here you can see in this icon, you can see to the at the bottom left side of the icon, one arrow mark is there. It means a shortcut. So the third type of icon is called a shortcut. That means shortcut means I have made a shortcut of the program called Camtasia 2019 on the desktop, so that I can open the particular program or software from this icon itself. I don't need to go to the start menu to open this program. So this type of icons are called shortcut icon. We can make a shortcut icon of any file. Suppose I want to make a shortcut icon of this file, Excel file. So for that, or we can make a shortcut icon of any folder. So first I will show you how to make a shortcut icon of this file. So for that you need to right click on the file, and then one menu will appear. From there you just click on the shortcut, create shortcut option. So one shortcut icon of this particular file will be created. Here you can see this is the shortcut icon of this particular file. So this way we can make a shortcut icon of a particular file. Here I am show you how to make a shortcut icon of a particular folder. So suppose I'm going to make a shortcut icon of this particular folder. So just right click on the folder and then again create shortcut option. So the shortcut icon of this folder has been created. Here you can see this is the shortcut icon. So how you can identify a shortcut icon? By an arrow mark which will be displayed at the bottom left side of the icon. So these are the three types of icon. One is system icon, second one is program icon, and the third one is shortcut icon. So this is all about icon, which is one of the elements of a desktop. So come to the second element of desktop, which is taskbar. So taskbar is a horizontal bar which is located at the bottom of the desktop. Here you can see this horizontal bar. This is called taskbar. And in this taskbar we can see various areas, like this is called a start button. Here, from here we can open various programs. So this is called start button. Then next, these are the various program icon I have kept. This is example of this is a program icon I have kept here, and this is one another example of system icon. I have made a shortcut on the taskbar so that I can open it from here. Another area on the taskbar is the notification area. This is the notification area where one volume button is displayed, one charge button, and then one network button is displayed. Then the next area on the taskbar is the time and date area, where time is displayed and the date is also displayed. So these are all about taskbar. Then the third element of desktop is the background image. So at the back of the pictures we can see a background. So this is the third element of a desktop. So these are all about desktop. In the next video I will explain what is a file and a folder, what are the differences between file and a folder, and how can we create a folder. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.